Rabbling.
Kind of make your whole brother.
Let me hear what the public think. Chat. Artist, what's new?
At the RABBLE Show, and that's if you know, cause that's the way I make way talk for you.
Rabble.
Yeah, man, because I say some things that we say all go on, you know, in our garrison, you know. It's like a prophecy I fulfill. You see? Because babes have babes. I may say a 12-year-old have picnic. You see? So, it's like a breeding spree, I say I go on. Like a guinea pig type of lifestyle. Because some people have picnic and they don't know how them are going to fence the youth them. But all one mother, I get up and have 7, 8 picnic. You see me? And when you ask the baby father, the baby father either they are prison or him dead.
I haven't seen my mother since 3 years now. Or 4. 4 years, yeah.
Last time I saw my father, I would say a year ago.
I don't really know my father.
He's just a father in name but not in vain.
It's quiet, the relationship with my father and I, because we don't socialize. We just like talk about things that we have to talk about.
It's just a high and a bad. That's all. We don't really have that father and daughter relationship.
Only thing I see boys really want from girls is sex.
Yes, boys are pushing to have sex with me.
I would like to be able to tell my parents everything that happens in my life.
I don't like speaking about my father.
I became a father very young, and that 16. So my dear, and that was never nice. I have 4 baby mothers, 6 kids. I'm a responsible father, but sometimes it is rough. You have to send $1,000 there, $1,000 there, another $1,000 different place. If a man is getting 6 kids, trust me, it better and get 6 kids with the one woman. I wouldn't encourage no one to have 4 baby mothers. It doesn't work like that. Because if I could turn back times, I would never make that mistake again. Honestly, children need attention. You have to be there for them. You know, and kids need love.
I have 14 kids, and the first one, I was like 17 years old. Then after that, 2 years later, I had 2 more. Two ladies got pregnant in the same year. I have 9 baby mothers with the 14 kids. The biggest stress that I faced as a father was when I was locked away from my kids. It was hard on me, but I think it was much harder on them. One of my child totally shut out while I was gone. And for that 6 years, her mother was complaining that just because you're not here, she's shut out. And when I came back, she was like, boom, right back on track.
So you finish it, that's what you need to finish the homework?
Yes.
All right, then. We'll soon get it to you, yeah?
What a boy lacks most when his father is absent is supervision. Boys who have their fathers close to them will end up completing secondary school. That's the first thing we found. Secondly, they will operate within a supervised frame, meaning that they are less likely to be recruited by dons or henchmen to get involved in gangs because they already have a role model.
I have 2 daughters, you know, 2 different mothers still, you know. My last child, mother, you know, me and her kind of start to have some disagreement.
Hey, Sophia, me long ago.
Thing good. Something does. She leave, but she take the child with her and stuff. And one of her sister called me one day and say she had planned for, say she go kill herself and kill the baby and stuff like that. And then a situation will end up in a courthouse and things still, you know. But there's a thing about blind justice still, is it?
No vision and I have no ambition. You get what I say?
No, because my baby a mistake or whatever, you know. Me and her start talk and we have an affair and stuff like that, and she get pregnant. I not go turn my back on her because she get pregnant. So I stay with her, I there around her, and I just try to cope with her. But the thing is, when me that's know me make my mistake with, I never get to know her. I never take the time out to get to know her before I go sleep with her, before I go have sex with her. If me to get to know her and know her for who she is, I won't have a daughter with her. Me and her won't even have sex. Honestly.
To make sure my youth them eat.
Yeah, man, get to know the person where you get involved with, man.
Honestly.
That's a key thing. Because in any relationship, one of the greatest things, you know, understanding, you know. When you can understand each other, and two one can come to some agreement on certain things, you know. Trust and understanding are the two key things in any relationship. You understand?
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yes, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings. John no Rabblings, so no listen to this.
Dorothy Edge considers herself a faithful person with a good heart, but she is now consumed with fear and anger after losing her life savings, $28,000 in cash,
3 mil something Jamaican,
to a pair of scam artists she met on the street earlier this month in East Flatbush, Brooklyn.
Here comes
Kind of mess your whole brother.
Let me hear what the public think. Chat. Artist, what's